In primetime news this evening, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz files defamation suit against PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell.
Rockfort tense after triple murder at a dance.
And police warn vloggers against sharing false information. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we have some news from Stocks and Securities Limited. Investors may know exactly what their accounts look like soon. I'll give the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Archie, the Reggae Girls, of course, are still basking in their historic qualification to the round of 16 at the FIFA Women's World Cup. But their coach, Lauren Donaldson, says they're not satisfied with just getting to the knockout stage. He wants more. I'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
And we also want more. Right,
but in this case, from Romaine. So what's coming up in the weather?
So far, we do have some shower activity that has been occurring across sections of the east this afternoon, and we are expecting some more rainfall, especially across western parishes, as well as some thunderstorm activity tomorrow.
Oh, Lord. Well, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, Archie, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, as the country prepares to celebrate its 61st year of independence, what do you love most about Jamaica?
I love this question. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.